Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making an absolutely delicious cocktail. This is the pineapple upside down cake. We are going to start off with 0.75 ounces of egg white, 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then 0.75 ounces of simple syrup, 2 full ounces of pineapple juice, and then 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon on the struggle bus.
Issues?
Yes. All right. Because we have that egg white in there, we are going to do a dry shake or a mime shake to emulsify the egg. Make sure you hold the back.
Hold the back of
the back. I don't know what's happening. Hold the back of the shaker tins because you will end up wearing the cocktail. Just FYI. This is still something that even my cocktail bartenders have a hard time figuring out. They do a good job, don't get me wrong, but egg white cocktails are not their forte.
Then we add ice.
Then we add ice. Use the small shaker tin. Same thing. You're still going to hold the back and the front, the back. The back. That one you should only need to do a short shake just because all we're doing is just chilling down the cocktail since the egg white is already emulsified. So we have our rock glass or low ball glass. We're going to add ice. Boop. Shush.
All that work for a single key.
It was necessary. Remember, we used fresh juice, so we're still going to double strain Hawthorne and mesh strainer right into our lowball glass.
The hell was that?
That was deliciousness.
Oh, okay.
Get it out of here. All right. Okay. Then, for our final touch, I got baby screaming in the background. We're going to add a maraschino cherry for our pineapple upside down cocktail. And there she be. Oh, she's so pretty. Gorgeous. Okay. Like I always do, we're going to rate. So I'm going to taste the cocktail, 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. Don't poke yourself with the garnish. I can't smell nothing. It smells like pineapple. Do I have a mustache?
Nope.
Aw, sad. Not this time. Ooh.
Wait, yeah, that wasn't the right choice of words.
Wow, I see how it is. All right. It is definitely a little bit more on the bourbon forward side of things, but not to the point where you're going to be like, oh, I have to sip this cocktail. It's still going to go down very, very smooth. Definitely tastes like a pineapple upside down cake. You get the pineapple, it's nice and creamy. You get the frothiness from the egg white, and then you get that bourbon on the back end.
You get the upside down in this.
And the upside down in this.
That's after you have 3 of them.
There might be only 2 of them. You know, I mean, there's 2 ounces of bourbon in there, man. Anywho's, for me, I am going to give this one. I'm going to give it a 4.8.
That was a quick shift from 0.2 points.
I was going to go for 4.7 and I went to 4.8. So it was 1 shift, sir. See, you don't even know how to count. But I'm going to give it a 4.8 out of 5. Very drinkable, delicious. This is definitely a cocktail that I will be remaking. If I got it at a bar or a restaurant, I would definitely have a second one of these. If you enjoyed this cocktail, make sure you let me know. If you make it at home, Let me know what your rating is. Also, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.